What's up, Minties? Today I am bringing you another project that I've been working on. This is going to be a fireplace bump out in my living room. And so here is the drawing. I decided that I wanted some open holes and also a faux fireplace with a mantle above it and some shelving on the side. As you can see, it looks a little bit taller and skinnier than my drawing, and that's because my scale was a little off. My ceilings are pretty tall, so you can see that the shelving is a little bit skinnier and the openings that's going to be there are a little bit skinnier. But I was overall happy. Once the drywall went up, I was really able to see the vision. This is being done by a guy that we work with often. His name is Alex. He's super cool, and there's just some projects I would prefer to leave to the experts, and this was one of them. So as you can see, the drywall is up here now, and now I can really see the fireplace coming together. And he went ahead and plastered the seams, and this is it. That's the final thing, but this is before the actual tile was going in, and I love the herringbone look, so I decided to go with that for the opening. And yep, this is it. That's the final look of it before we wiped off the grout. Make sure to check out my next video where I'm going to show you how I faux finish the entire fireplace. Thank you guys so much for watching this video, and if you enjoyed it, make sure you give it a thumbs up and make sure to subscribe to my channel. Share it with your friends. Thanks.